Tension is running high in Israel's southernmost city, that is Eilat, as a threat from Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen continues to grow. So on Tuesday afternoon, 4 explosive-laden drones they were launched towards the city, but all thanks to Israeli air forces, all of them were shot down within just 1 hour. A perfect example of Israel's high-tech air defenses at work. And the good news here, nobody was hurt and no damage was reported, though the sirens blaring across Eilat reminded everybody how close the danger really is. Well, the first drone set off alarms at 2:36 p.m., followed by 2 more at 2:58 p.m., while the 4th one was intercepted before it even triggered the city's alarm system. Now here, Israeli officials say that this particular attack shows the Houthis' growing reach and their boldness as they continue to strike Israel in support of Gaza conflict, 2 years after the deadly Hamas attack on October 7th that killed over 1,200 people. Well, the Houthis, whose slogan openly calls for death to America, death to Israel, and a curse on the Jews, have been striking Israeli targets and even maritime traffic since late 2023. But their attack intensified after last year's war in Gaza. And despite a brief ceasefire in January 2025, the drones and missiles have kept coming continuously. Since March 18, after Israel resumed military operations in Gaza, the Houthis have launched 91 ballistic missiles. Can you imagine that? Just not ballistic missiles, over 48 drones, some even falling short of their targets. Israel is not taking any chances right now. They have retaliated 19 times, striking Houthi positions in Yemen, a staggering distance of 1,800 kilometers. In the meantime, Eilat has been preparing for further threats. The city recently installed 10 mobile bomb shelters after Houthi drone attacked wounded more than 20 people last month. Now, this growing Israel-Houthi conflict just shows how this particular war in Gaza has spread, turning the Red Sea region into a high alert zone. Every siren, every drone interception, and every single airstrike underscores a chilling reality. Israel is under threat from a long-range, Iran-backed network of drones and missiles, and the region's peace hangs by a thread right now.